I can't believe this happened to me. When I close my eyes, I still feel like I'm 30. But then I look in the mirror and I see an old man staring back. Bags under my eyes, wrinkles on my forehead, age spots appearing on my temples. When did this happen? How did this happen? Are my best days behind me? Ever since I turned 40, I started really noticing my age. I'd never been a vain guy, but I gotta be honest, I was starting to look like my dad, and I didn't like feeling that way. I didn't like seeing myself in photos anymore. I just felt hopeless. But that all changed when I met a new guy at work named Paul. Paul showed me something unlike anything I tried before, and now I have the kind of skin that makes people confuse me for a younger man. My wife is jealous because of how quickly I started looking better, and one of my friends even accused me of getting a chemical peel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how I went from hopeless and depressed about my aging skin to having a naturally healthy, vibrant, and younger-looking face. And it's all thanks to a single product that goes against what the skincare industry has been doing for the last 100 years. Keep watching and I'll reveal how to supercharge your collagen production and erase fine lines and wrinkles, the way to actually reverse sun damage and age spots using a healing cure-all oil, how you can visibly reduce signs of aging in 30 seconds without professional treatments, plus the truth about how a single solution can deliver the powerful results of 6 separate skincare products. Here's what no one is talking about. The beauty industry spends billions of dollars researching, testing, and developing ways to make women look younger and healthier. But women's skincare products don't work the same on men. Men's skin is 25% thicker and tougher, and structurally different than women's. Focusing on how men's skin is unique has been ignored for decades, until now. And the results are changing lives. And unlike solutions you may have tried in the past, this actually works. It's been proven effective for all men, regardless of skin types or skin tone. If it sounds too good to be true, trust me, I know the feeling. But stick with me and I'll explain everything. Listen to what some other men who have found it have to say. I'm looking better and younger every single day. I could tell the difference in less than 2 weeks, says Stephen Mells, 56, from Atlanta, Georgia. My skin is firmer, more even, and I look well-rested even when I'm not. Mel Brisky, age 63, from Portland, Oregon. Friends and family noticed before he could even ask if they saw a difference. Frank D., 41, from Brooklyn, New York. Feedback like this is coming in every day since men have started discovering this radical new solution. You see, I never really cared that much about my skin. I would just wash my face and that's it. I knew the sun can damage skin, but I always thought that meant to try to avoid getting sunburn. Boy, was I wrong. I did some research and found out that UV radiation from the sun actually causes DNA changes in your skin that lead to premature aging. And you don't have to get a sunburn for this to happen. Simply being exposed to the sun over time can cause wrinkling, age spots, rough and uneven skin texture, and decreased elasticity. And it happens regardless of whether you have a light, medium, or dark skin tone. The thing is, I never noticed any of the damage the sun was doing because it happened so gradually. Then one day, bam, I'm looking at an old man in the mirror. How is it that some guys get better looking with age? I researched some professional treatments, and they can be pretty extreme. Laser resurfacing, chemical peels, cryotherapy, Botox. They're expensive, and I didn't want to look like one of those plastic Hollywood stereotypes either. I have to admit, I tried some of my wife's products. They just didn't make me look any better. I felt like there was nothing I could do. I avoided taking photos, dreaded video conferences, and ignored mirrors. One day, I was picking up my daughter from kindergarten when one of the children asked her, "Lexi, is that your grandpa?" I laughed it off, but deep down it hurt. I was sick of people saying you look tired, even when I was wide awake. I was feeling pretty hopeless about ever finding something that worked for me. There had to be an answer. I kept looking for something new, some breakthrough, but I just found the same old advice. But then I met Paul, and from that moment on, everything changed. Paul looked about my age, but after chatting with him for a bit, he casually dropped a bomb. He was pushing 60. I couldn't believe it. He had this real youthful, vibrant energy, and none of the cracking skin, age spots, wrinkles, or eye bags. Also, he was just on top of his game. He always seemed happy with everyone, smiling, laughing, and joking. Did this guy have some kind of cheat code to life? He almost seemed to have an inner glow that was like a magnet for success. How is it he looked so young and confident at his age? I had to know his secret. One day I asked him, man to man, "Paul, how is it that some guys like you get better looking with age? Is it just genetic?" He laughed and clapped his hands. "No, it's not genetic," he said. "It's something else." Okay, he had my attention now. My skin used to be way worse, dark circles, uneven, all that stuff. "Hang on," I said. "You used to look worse and now you look better? How'd you pull that off?" Paul leaned in and said, "I'll tell you how I did it, but there's a catch." "Okay," I said. "What's the catch?" "You have to guess. If you get it right, I'll tell you." "All right, I'll play," I said. I already know it's not genetic, so I gotta ask, is it Botox or some kind of surgery? Paul said, "No way, that's too expensive, and besides, I'd rather spend my money on other stuff. Guess again." "All right, then you must be on some super health food diet where you eat only kale and nutritional supplements?" Paul laughed again. "Ha! I tried to eat healthy, but I pretty much eat what I want. That's not it." "Okay, it's not your diet, so you probably use all your wife's fancy face products, right?" "Look, my skin is different from my wife's. That stuff never worked for me. Besides, I don't want to go through my day smelling like a flower shop." "Okay, so you have a bunch of skincare products for men that take care of your eye bags, wrinkles, dark spots, etc. You're getting closer, but no. First of all, I don't have time to use 6 different products every day. I have better things to do. My way only takes 30 seconds. Now I almost couldn't believe what I was hearing. "Okay, Paul, I give up. What is this miracle solution?" Paul said, "Okay, let me tell you how I found it." Paul talked about how he struggled with losing his confidence as he got older, and how he didn't like what he saw in the mirror either. He tried using different skin products, but they were too expensive, took too long, and didn't show results. Then he found something different. A cutting-edge technology, and the first of its kind. I started using this product, and it was like all the signs of aging on my face just faded away. It gave me my confidence back. Paul had me convinced. Whatever this formula is, it was clearly working for him. And he didn't have to change his diet, spend a ton of money, or waste time with a long skincare routine. Paul shared with me his secret solution, and I have to tell you, it's unlike anything I've ever tried before. The underlying cause of the problem is that the skincare industry for decades has been developing products with only women in mind. There's never been a product like this developed for men's unique skin challenges. The products in the marketplace aren't bad, they just aren't made for men. That's why nothing shows results. I've been using Paul's recommendation for months now, and it's transformed the way I look and feel about myself. When I look in the mirror, it's almost unbelievable. And it's all thanks to the unique combination of scientifically tested ingredients. It's a truly radical innovation that is transforming the way men feel about their skin. It's called Particle Face Cream. Particle Face Cream is the only single-step skincare solution engineered specifically for men, and it does the work of 6 different products. Particle's team of experts did 2 years of extensive research until they found the perfect formula. Men's skin is thick and tough. That's why we need our own blend of ingredients. Particle packs 6 benefits into one powerful product. 1. Alleviates eye bags. 2. Removes dark spots. 3. Reduces wrinkles. 4. Soothes the skin after shaving. 5. Moisturizes. 6. Deep nourishes with Dead Sea minerals. Particle Face Cream saves you time because you don't have to spend 30 minutes going through a whole face routine with multiple products. Their all-in-one solution only takes 30 seconds to apply, and then you're done, and you can move on with your day. It saves you money because you're not spending thousands on dangerous surgeries or laser treatments. You don't have to worry about buying eye cream, a toner, a moisturizer, a serum, spot treatments, and other skin products. It would easily cost $200 or more to get all the benefits from several products that Particle Face Cream gives you with one. The secret to Particle's effectiveness is in its special combination of scientifically backed ingredients, all hand-picked from premium sources. 1. Jojoba oil, a powerful anti-inflammatory to calm and smooth skin. 2. Vitamin E, helps repair sun damage at the cellular level. 3. Allantoin, heals dry and damaged skin. 4. Glycerin, naturally boosts moisture and soothes redness. 5. Shea butter, extreme skin nourishment and UV protection. 6. Squalene oil, powerful anti-aging properties, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. 7. Coffee seed extract, boosts collagen production and skin regeneration. 8. Lactic acid, brightens, smooths, and firms skin. 9. Ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate, fights free radicals that cause premature aging. 10. Pentavitin, long-lasting moisture barrier that smooths and plumps skin. 11. Sim White, diminishes appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. 12. Hyaluronic acid, maintains collagen synthesis and regulates tissue repair. Unlike other skincare products, you won't have to wait months to start seeing results. In fact, most men report noticeable changes in their skin within the first week. Men all over the world have discovered Particle and are reporting their amazing results. People swear that I can't be 50. Been using it for a couple of months now, and my face is so clear and feels great. Warren W., 50, from New Jersey. I've been using Particle for a while now, and I look so darn good for my age. Steve H., 55, from London, UK. For many years, I have been using face products with little or no satisfaction, but this Particle face cream is really making a difference. I recommend it to anyone. Dennis B., from Toronto, Canada. How to use Particle Skin Cream. 3 easy steps. Step 1. Thoroughly cleanse your face with warm water. Step 2. Squirt a dime-sized amount onto your fingers and massage into forehead, under eyes, cheeks, nose, and chin. Step 3. Spread the product to cover entire face with a thin layer. Use both morning and night. For decades, the skincare industry has been focused on developing products for women. Most guys have probably tried the brands their wives or girlfriends use that have little or no effect. Then they decide nothing is going to work and stop trying. Particle was engineered to be different, something made for men that actually gets results. Particle's unique formula allows it to absorb quickly into the skin without leaving any oily residue or slimy feeling. It leaves you feeling healthy, hydrated, and refreshed. It has a pleasant and subtle aroma, not like the flowery and overpowering scent of popular products for women. At the end of the day, let's face it, we all want to look better. In the mirror, in photos, on video conferences. Guys, it's time to finally do something about our aging skin. Compared to drastic surgeries and expensive skin treatments, Particle is simply one of the best values available. It will give you the skin you've always wanted while saving you time and money. Their most popular 3-pack of Particle Face Cream is only $49 per bottle. And because they want to show the world how powerful their formula really is, for a limited time, they're offering new customers 20% off their first purchase. They know you are going to love the results you're seeing, so they are also giving you a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Last but not least, as a bonus, they are offering totally free shipping anywhere in the US. At this point, you have 2 choices. You can go on suffering, wishing you were one of the lucky guys who get better looking with age. Or you can become one of those guys and start looking forward to your best years yet. There are no more excuses to why you can't look your absolute best at any age. Let's go over some commonly asked questions. Who is Particle for? Particle Face Cream is for men with all skin tones and sensitivity levels. If you want to take a few years off your appearance and maintain a healthy, youthful look, Particle is probably a good fit for you. Does Particle work for all skin types? Made with only the highest quality ingredients, Particle works on all different skin types. Does Particle leave any noticeable marks? Particle is colorless, meaning it soaks completely into the skin and doesn't leave behind any noticeable sheen or residue. That means everyone will see the difference in your skin, but won't be able to tell you are using anything on your face. When should I start seeing results? It depends on your skin type and condition, but if you use it on a daily basis, you should start seeing results within 1 to 3 weeks. It turns out Particle Paul, as I call him, did have a cheat code to life. He discovered a fast, easy, effective way to keep his skin looking youthful, healthy, and fresh. He gave me the secret, and it changed the way I look and feel. My confidence is at an all-time high since I started using Particle, and people around me are noticing. I only wish I had this product years ago. Now it's your turn. If you're tired of looking in the mirror and seeing an old man staring back, the time is now to take action. Don't wait another day. There's no better product available for men, and no better time to try it than right now. Click the link and try Particle Face Cream today. They'll ship your order to your door fast, so you can start seeing the results for yourself. Thanks for watching.